Hey everyone, welcome back to PassFab channel. So you've heard about iOS 26, but it's just not showing up in your software update settings. As at the time of making this video, only the beta version is out, the stable version is not yet out. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get it installed on your iPhone right away. The first method is through Apple's official beta website. Now, before we start, a quick warning. Beta software can be buggy, so install this on a device you're okay with experimenting on. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up Safari or Chrome browser on your iPhone and head to beta.apple.com. You can also search for it on Google. That's the official Apple Beta Software Program website. Once you're there, you'll want to tap on the Sign Up button if you don't have an account, or just sign in using your Apple ID if you do. After you've signed in, you'll see the option to enroll your iOS device. Now, you might see a pop-up message asking you to download and install a configuration profile. Your iPhone will prompt you to allow this download. Go ahead and allow it. If you did not see any message asking you to allow download, then leave the browser. Go over to Settings and tap on General. Go to Software Update, and you're going to see something like this. As you can see, I have already downloaded the iOS 18 beta. I have two options to install now or tonight. Tap on Beta Updates. You should now see the iOS 26 public beta available for download. Just select this and let it do its thing. It does take a while to show up here. Please note that this software update is slightly above 7 gigs in size. You need to have sufficient phone memory. Now, if that method doesn't work for you, or if you run into any errors during the update process, there's another fantastic tool you can use called Tenorshare ReiBoot, designed to fix all sorts of iOS system issues, including getting a stalled update back on track. And it can help you install iOS 26 without any data loss. It's a really powerful and user-friendly option if the standard method gives you any trouble. There's a link down in this video description, and you can use it to check out the software tool. And that's it. If this guide helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.